Right, we left off yesterday on the point that we shown you how to put and upload onto your blog. We'll carry on from there, but what I want to show you before I show you all the technical stuff is basically what Blogger's about. Now, as you can see, I'm signed in with my email account here, and that means I'm signed in. It also means here as well, with it saying sign out, I'm also signed in. So what you've got to get used to doing is logging in through blogger.com. That's what I need you to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign out, and then we're going to sign back in, and then we're going to do it like that, because I need you to get into the idea of this is how you're supposed to do it, not type in your blog name and go to your blog and try and log in that way, because it'll be really difficult for you and it'll be really tricky. So what we want you to do is we just want you to log back in. Here we go. And then when you've logged back in, this is what you'll see. It's the dashboard. Now, I've created quite a few blogs and I've done quite a few things. So what I need you to do is notice the dashboard, and this is how you work it. This is different what account that I've set up as well. So you see, you get dashboard, you'll get, this is the most important thing of your blog. This part here, this part there. It's the most important part of your blog because of the fact of it being is that that's your profile. You need to build that with a picture of you. You also need to edit your profile and put in some photos and stuff like that. Put in your notifications so that when you make a new blog, it'll actually send it out to the people that have signed up for your notifications. You'll also get here on the blue bar, new post, edit post, and then you'll get settings, design, and monetize. So what you want to do is you just want to basically just mess about with it. Use the different buttons, press them, find out what they do. Associate yourself with this page because this is your central hub for your blog. This is where you can see your blog in the back office that people can't see, and this is where you create everything how it's got together. Now, what I'll do is I'll click on monetize just to show you what it does and how it brings you to the set out of how your blog should look like. This is your monetize. This is where you can add AdSense associates. This is where you can put ads. You can have Amazon as well. Now, as well, here is your design. If you click on design, your design will come up. This will have your header where you have your top of your blog where you want it to do. Your gadgets, if you click on gadgets, and another box will load up. This box is like where you can start making different pages. You can put a followers bar on, which should be already on when you originally sign up to your new blog. Now they've put it into it, Google, and you've got your search box, HTML, which is what you can, what I showed you in the last one, what you can add in your book to, and you can have an advertisement for your book on your blog. Now, be careful what you're advertising because they're getting quite strict now on the blogs of us advertising and driving traffic to the blog purposely just for another website. But I suggest that you do it and you just do it like that, and you don't keep putting the same post about joining up to just for instance mention for free, or joining up to MLSP, or joining up to another lead generation site. I just put the one thing on, and that's all I'd put on, and then I'd write blogs about helping people like I'm doing now on videos and stuff. Like I said before, you add AdSense, you can add an AdSense bar to your toolbar, so it's on every single page. You can put pictures, slideshow, a video bar in, so if you've done a lot of videos, you can have a video bar, so you can select all your videos. You can do polls and blog, which is like, are you really clever on Facebook? Yes, no, or maybe. You can have like a poll of that, and then just see if just get your people to interact with you on your blog. The blog list is all the blogs, all the favorite blogs that you like, and you have a link list, so where you can have like links to all different books or different free sites that you like and stuff like that. You can have a feed, newsreel, so you can do quite a lot with Blogger that you didn't think possible, and it's going to take a while for you to get used to it all. I suggest you have a mess with it and just add things before you meet your blog live. Just play with everything, just get everything set up. Then once you're all set up, you'll learn all the settings. Now what I'm going to show you next is a few other things, how to change things around, how to get the post up, how to edit your posts, and just stuff like that. Right, now I've got rid of that screen. It's edit HTML. If you click on that, there is a way that you can add your own custom made template to Blogger, and it's really difficult. I can explain it at a later date once you know your way around and you're making your own posts and you feel like it's time to move up, and you can also do it. What you do is you just copy the code that they give you, or you can upload it from your hard drive. It's usually better and easier if you save the template to your hard drive as a zip file and then get Blogger to upload it to your blog so that it does it automatically, so it's less for you. But you can do it by deleting everything in this box and then putting in your code from what you get from your download from what you've selected for your free custom template. I wouldn't suggest doing that at first. It's a bit tricky. I will explain it at a later date and show you how to do it so that you know how to do it, but at the moment I'd suggest that you just keep to what you're doing and just use the template designer for now, because it's all new. They've put a lot of new templates in there now. The next one we want to go on to is settings. Sorry about that, my computer's just started to go silly on me. Here's these settings. What you do is you get your title, and that's your title for your blog, what you want to call it. So if you wanted to call it Best Man Suits, whatever you wanted to put in, that could be what your title is. Then you've got a description. Now this title and description will be submitted to Google, so make it keyword rich. If you don't know how to do it, I will go through it at a later stage. You just have to bear with me. I just want to show you everything first so that you know where everything on the site is. You get used to everything on the site. That we start playing around with things and we start interacting as doing little projects before we send this blog out live. Everything in here, you've got publishing. This is what your ID for your blog's going to be. It'll ask you when you do that if you're not sure about saving things, so make sure that you do save it. I'm not saving it because it's just a demo blog. This is where your web address is. If you want to ever change your web address, you can do with Blogger. That's the good thing. But with WordPress, you can. So the good thing with Blogger, like I said, is it's a good start out to get used to doing your blog till you get the right name of what you want. You have to use your word verification. You get your formatting, your comments, the blogs. You can let people comment on your blog. Your archiving, which means when you do blogs, it'll archive on your site. It'll set up a site feed. Your email and mobile, you can put that onto it. And it's all different things you can do. Now the last little bit I'm going to go through today is the posting and how to post on the site. Now all you need to click on is posting, and it comes automatically as a new post. You type in whatever you need to type into here for what you need. You give it your name of what you want it to be, and the tags are your keywords. Now I'm going to show you the keywords at a later date, but once you've done that, you just publish post once you've finished typing, and you have yourself a blog already published. Our next video I'll show you the post of the blog, and then we'll go into how you can edit the post and get the keywords and stuff like that, and then we'll just move around the site little bit by bit. Thanks for listening.